Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads campaign, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you check performance by household income in your Google Ads campaign? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to see what the performance based on household income is in your Google Ads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business running Google Ads, some household income categories are going to perform better. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to check the household income performance for one of your campaigns, here on the left, you're going to click on campaigns. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to look for this line, audiences, keywords, and content. Once you open it up, you're going to click on this button here, audiences. Okay, so next what you're going to do is scroll to the top, and you're going to see these two boxes. Go ahead and choose the campaign that you want to check the performance based on household income. Okay, so once you've chosen a campaign, it's going to show up down here, and you're going to see these three options. Go ahead and click on household income. Okay, now we can see the performance based on the household income. So it looks like the top 10% income earners click these ads 399 times, and that's based off of this time frame up here. So you can change this within the past 30 days, or you can do what I do and do all time. Now, if we look at the lower 50% earners, they clicked 376 times. Now, if you want to see more information, you click right here, show table. Okay, you can see it's split up into various ad groups, but it's only showing 10 rows. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and I'm going to choose 30. And normally what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click right here, add group view, and I'm going to switch this over to campaign. Okay, now it's showing the household income groups right here on the left for the entire campaign. So we can easily scroll through and then see which one's performing better. So the top 10%, it looks like 399 clicks, and they also got the lion's share of impressions. Now, if we look over here, the average cost per click was $5.45 for that household income group. And if we look at the lower 50%, it was only $5.06. So it was about a 10% increase in cost. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to check the performance based on household income in your Google Ads account, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.